We go into the arc sketch tool. We have 3 options. And out of these, I really only use the 3-point and the tangent arc. I don't really use the center point much, and you'll kind of see. The 3-point arc, I'm going to tell it start point and end point, and then I can tell it where I want the arc to be. And you can see I've got the center point here, and so I can use those 3 points to move it however I want it to be. I can add constraints, tangents, and then dimensions to make it be what I want. A is not arc, A is appearance, so don't do that. You might think that A would be arc, but it's not. So that was a 3-point arc. If I do the tangent arc, I need to have a line or something. If I click on the point, it'll give me a tangent arc there. Now I can grab, again, either this point, come tangent that way, or the end point of another arc, come tangent off of that. If I do the center point arc, it's going to ask me to first pick the center, and then I just pick where the arc starts, and then I can tell it how long to be. And you end up with something that's really, you're still picking start point, the end point, but you pick the center first. So I don't really see the benefit of that over just the 3-point arc. So if you like it, then good. If not, probably stick with the 3-point arc.